If you want to send Robux to your friends on mobile, I'll show you the easiest way to do it step by step so you can gift Robux safely and quickly. First of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, select Friends or Connections depending on which option appears on your device. After that, find the friend you want to send Robux and tap on their profile. Now, I'm on a demo account, so I don't have any friends to show, but if you have friends, once you're on their profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select Send Robux. After that, enter the amount of Robux you want to send, then tap Pay or Send and confirm the transactions. Your Robux will be sent instantly. You can only send Robux to friends who have accepted a friendship with you, and there's usually a daily limit on sending Robux, so keep that in mind. And that's all. That's how you can send Robux to friends on mobile. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.